Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and it's time to get back on the Monday grind, you all. We could do it, we could do it, we could do it. All right, you all, welcome back to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to take a look at a watch face by a developer who goes by the name of, and I can't pronounce it, I'm going to spell it SzaZs. The name of the watch face is called Tritium. Very nice looking digital watch face, and always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the fullness of the watch face. It's going to be in a greenish bluish kind of color. Once the watch face is on, you got a little color added to it. Now, what I like about this watch face is if you look at the three dots going around the bezel of the watch, which we can consider that as secondhand, it highlights the little meters that's going around the top and at the bottom, depending on what color the little dots are. I thought that was very nice for a nice animation. Now, at the top, you're going to get info on your calories burned, your battery, and your heart rate. You come all the way down to the bottom, you're going to get info on your miles walked or ran, floors climbed, and you're going to get information on your steps. In the center, you get digital time in big bold numbers, and you get your month, your date, and your day. Now, I like that the day is written out. I really like that developers does that instead of abbreviating it. It looks better to me. Now, what I like most about this watch face is if I double tap down at the bottom, I can change the color and look of this watch face. Depending on how I want to mix and match it up, I can tap on the number at the end here, and that'll change it to any color I pretty much want. Just cycle through the many colors that this watch face has to offer. I thought this was pretty good by the developer. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two, because this one is truly off the charts. Now, this is going to take a minute because of the features and functions and details of this watch face. So I need you all to be patient with me because we want to go through some of them just so you can make a good decision on whether you should download this watch face or not. Cool? All right, the name of the watch face is called Alpha Hybrid. In always on mode, it pretty much looks the same. You're going to get your time at a glance with no problem. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit. But when the watch face is on, here's where we get a chance to take a look at true creativity from a watch face. Now, what I like about this watch face, first of all, is the hour and the minute hand. It lights up, adds a lot of character to the watch face. So does the second hand. Now, what I like about the second hand is that not only is the tip lit up red, but as it goes past the index, it lights it up red as well. I thought that was super creative by the developer. Awesome look. If you look up at the top, you're going to get your days of the week. It's going to be highlighted in white to let you know what day of the week it is. If you look to the left, you're going to get info on floors climbed, also your heart rate. If you look to the right, you're going to get your month and your date and also your battery info. Now, if you come down, you can tap into your steps. You can make a phone call. You can send messages. You can also check the weather and your music player. I thought these features and functions and shortcuts make this a very valuable watch face, right? But we're not done yet. Let me tap in the middle and we can change and customize the theme of the watch face as well. Choose any design you want. It gives you quite a few to choose from. And once you're done, let's say we leave it right there. I thought that was a good look, right? For starters, but we're not done yet. So if I tap right here, double tap, I can change the theme some more. I'm telling you, this developer did an awesome job on this watch face, and I'm thinking it's worthy of a download immediately, right? So I thought the developer did good. So you leave it on what you want to leave it on. We're going to leave it on this because I like the information that it gives, and we're not done yet. I'm going to tap over here, and I could change the color of the indexes, kind of light it up a little bit more to go with whatever it is that I might be wearing for that day, or I could just simply choose my favorite color. Just cycle through because it gives you 8 in all. And I thought the developer did a very great job on this watch face. All right, you all, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is a downloadable watch face in your opinion. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it. And if you did, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.